Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious little girl named Lily. She loved to explore the woods and fields, always searching for hidden treasures. One sunny afternoon, as she wandered near the village brook, she found a strange, shiny bottleneck peeking out from under a rock. Lily picked up the bottleneck, feeling its smooth, cool surface in her small hands. She turned it over, examining it closely. To her surprise, the bottleneck began to glow, and from the top, a tiny, glittering genie popped out. "Hello, dear child," the genie said. "I am the genie of the bottleneck. You have released me from my imprisonment, and I must grant you 3 wishes. What is your first wish?" Lily thought for a moment. She had always wanted a magical friend, someone to share her adventures with. "I wish for a companion who can help me on my journeys," she said. The genie waved his tiny hand, and suddenly a fluffy, talking fox appeared by Lily's side. "Meet Foxy, your new friend," the genie said. "He will be by your side to help you on all your adventures." Lily and Foxy quickly became inseparable. They explored the woods, hiked the hills, and discovered the most beautiful hidden corners of the village. Lily's heart was filled with joy, knowing she was never alone. One day, as they sat by the brook, Lily began to miss her family and friends. "I wish for my family to visit me here," she said to the genie, her voice filled with longing. The genie nodded and waved his hand again. In an instant, Lily's family appeared, laughing and playing by the brook. They spent a wonderful day together, sharing stories and laughter. When it was time to go home, Lily's heart was full of love and happiness. As the sun began to set, Lily thought about her final wish. She wanted something that would help her grow and learn. "I wish for wisdom and knowledge to guide me in life," she said to the genie. The genie beamed. Your wish is granted. You will always have the wisdom to make the right choices and the knowledge to learn new things. Now, my time with you has come to an end. Remember, use your wishes wisely. As the genie disappeared back into the bottleneck, Lily hugged Foxy tightly. She knew she would always have her friend to guide and protect her. And so, Lily and Foxy continued their adventures, learning and growing together in the magical village. The end.